Okay, here's my fancy drying rack that I'm going to be using this year for garlic and for onions. So right now I have started pulling some of the garlic. I've got a lot more to go, but as you see, I'm just using some fencing, and the husband built me the stand. And where this is right now is underneath the lean-to, which is plenty of wind, and it's humid and hot out, which what it's like, and it is in the shade. So that's where you want to cure your garlic for a couple of weeks to get that wonderful papery outer shell that you're used to seeing when you buy it at the store. So right now, after I pulled the garlic, I'm leaving the dirt on. Don't rub the dirt off. Leave the dirt on. Be very careful. These can actually be bruised and are fragile, even though they seem so hard. The curing time will help them. If they cure properly, they'll last you for many months. So we want to make sure you cure them correctly. So these will be out here in the wind, the shade, and the heat, which is all three things that they are really gonna like. So I'm gonna lay them on here like this for a couple weeks. I'm gonna harvest the other ones, and you can see I had to pull some of my onions. So we look down here, they're just gonna hang through and dry like that because they like to cure the same exact way. So you can get all that papery outside, which will protect them. Then you can store them for months at a time. And how I store them after they are cured will be in the dark and low humidity and cooler temperatures, and they'll be able to last you till the next harvest possibly. So there you go.